What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon that coming to you guys with a brand new video. Today, putting a new downpipe in the car. These are used off a different Type R. This one right here is the RV6 downpipe, and then that one right there is the HKS. The reason why it looks different is the part that goes right there cracked on them, so he had to put a different thing on there, like a vibrant on there. So that's why that looks like that, but should be fine. He said it didn't sound any different, so we're gonna put that on and this on. I got it for a steal. It was like a deal I couldn't pass up. So Type R is going to be getting a little bit louder, or a lot louder. So I'm excited. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, and now it's that time. So we're going to go let the car cool down, get the car up in the air, and get it started. So this install should be pretty easy. I mean, I got to take the intake hose off. I should be able to leave the box there, but I got to take the hose off, the inlet pipe off, and then I got to go take this heat shield off. And then you can see down there, I don't know if you can really see it, but I got to get everything disconnected. The O2 sensor from down there, up here. So it's going to be a lot of work, but I'm down to do it. So I'm going to start by the top, and then once we get to the bottom, I can jack the car up and get it going from there. So let's start with the inlet pipe. It should be cold enough. It's actually very warm. Alright, it should be cool enough now so we can take everything off. So we're just going to start taking these little clamps off, and then I believe these are 10s which are on here, so there's 4s, 1, 2, 3, 4 that we have to take off. So yep, they're 10s. And then we are gonna have to take this little piece off too, which I didn't want to do, but we have to for clearance. Oh, there's actually gonna be 2 more. 1 more, 2 more. This one's connected to there. I think there's one back here too. I'm about to take off. Take this one off. This one has a little spacer on it. I should get a magnet. We had one, but I don't know where it went. It's a little warm, you know what I'm saying? So the 4 that you have to take off are 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this extra one I took off back there. So now everything should come loose. That's your coolant hose, and then this is another hose. And then there's more on the side over here, which are kind of hard to see. There's 1, 2. There should be 1 more deeper. Yeah, it's kind of way in there. I think 3 right there. Whoa, look at that camera shot, boy. And then 4, and then I believe there's 5, but I know we're gonna have to take that off. Probably have to disconnect this just so it's out of the way, but let's take those off too. All right, so everything is pretty much out. I got all the bolts out that I needed to get out. Oh, just gotta take these out. And then this should come right out. Yep, that was easy. Thought that was gonna be a lot harder. We got to take the heat shield off, so there's 1 here, 1 here, and then you will have to take this piece off right here to get to the 2 other that are like right here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this little plastic trim off, and then we'll take out the top heat shield. One thing you are gonna need is this. This is basically, it's an O2 remover, so you can remove the sensors off the O2 of the downpipe and front pipe. So you will need this. You can get this at AutoZone, O'Reilly's. You can get it anywhere.
Oh, this sensor down there though.
Henry came to help out for a little bit, but it's just a pain in the ass to get the heat shield off. You have to go to the bottom, kind of like finagle your way in there. Get it out, and I have to kind of show you, but yeah, we should be able to take the O2 sensor off, and this whole thing should come out. So I took the heat shield off. I'm pretty much scared to take off the turbo studs. But once we take that off, then it should be all good. Fucking irritated. The fucking stud broke, and it's inside the turbo. God, I'm so fucking irritated. Sprayed PB Blaster on it. Didn't work. fuck. The one thing I didn't want to happen happened. The one thing. It's about a good 3 hours from the last time I recorded.
Look at all the shit on my face.
Broke the turbo stud, but I think I'm gonna run on 3 for now. Ow! What the fuck was that? Why did it hurt? Why did it hurt? What'd you put there?
My finger.
What's in your finger?
I don't know.
Can you go to AutoZone?
Yeah, can I take your car?
Okay, yeah, sure, take it. So this is probably the most choppiest video I've ever released, but O2 sensor or downpipe's off. Putting the O2 sensors in this one, and then this can go in, and we should pretty much be all set. I'm so short. I started at 11:30.
You started at 11:30.
It's been 8 hours already.
You need my tiny hands. Are you ready, guys?
Moment of truth. Will it sound like shit? Will the neighbors hate me?
They already hate you.
Ready?
Yeah.
Why does it sound the same? There you go. Let it warm up. Sounds the same. I'm gonna rev it.
Oh shit! Yeah, I was gonna. I got.
Go ahead. Woo! Ah, yeah. It's like way louder. Turn it off. Oh, they're gonna hate me here. They already hate me here now. So I'm editing the last part of this video, and pretty much this is gonna be the end of it. I mean, it's about a 9-10 minute video, which is perfect. If you guys are wondering about the turbo stud, or the stud that's for the downpipe, basically it's a turbo stud. It is broken. There is nothing on it right now. I could have put a nut on it and let it sit for a little while, but I figured I just don't want to mess with it. I don't want to deal with it. So I just let it just be as it is. It's just 3 hanging on there for now. That's perfect. Eventually, somewhere down in the future, I am going to get a different front pipe.